Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a public address system. We'll start by identifying the essential components that make up a typical PA setup. Then, we'll trace the correct signal flow from your audio source all the way to the speakers. Understanding the right order for connections and power-up is crucial for clear sound and equipment longevity. Let's ensure your system is set up perfectly for any event. A public address system consists of several key components working together. First, microphones capture sound and convert it into an electrical signal. This signal then travels to a mixer, which acts as the brain, allowing you to combine and adjust various audio sources. From the mixer, the signal goes to an amplifier, which boosts its power. Finally, speakers convert this amplified electrical signal back into audible sound for your audience. Choosing the right cables is vital for clear audio. XLR cables are the standard for microphones, offering balanced signals that resist interference over long distances. For line-level devices, TRS cables provide balanced connections, while TS cables are typically used for unbalanced instrument signals. For connecting amplifiers to passive speakers, speak-in cables are the professional choice, designed for secure, high-power transmission. To prevent damage and loud pops, always connect all your audio cables before powering anything on. The correct power-up sequence is to turn on your signal sources first, then your mixer, and finally your amplifiers or powered speakers. When shutting down, reverse this order. Turn off amplifiers first, then the mixer, and then your signal sources. This simple sequence protects your gear and ensures a smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.